Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to get started with AI Image Enlarger. So, let's get started. Step 1. Begin your adventure by launching your favorite browser and typing imglarger.com into the address bar. Step 2. In the top right corner of the website, locate the Sign In or Sign Up option. Click there to initiate your journey. Step 3. Input your email and then click on Sign In with your link. Step 4. Check your inbox for an email from AI Image Enlarger. Click on the verification link provided in the email. Step 5. Lo and behold, you are now set to unleash the power of AI with AI Image Enlarger. Step 6. Begin your creative journey with AI Image Enlarger at your fingertips. Dive into the world of enhanced imagery. Elevate your visuals with the magic of artificial intelligence. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.